is Wapella Drive after the big storm last night. There's the zero block, that was the first one. On this side you can see the big one in that front yard. The size of these trees are huge. Anyhow, so this is the Johnson's house on the left. Teresa's daughter Barb. Her house is right down there. You can see her maple tree is completely blocking the road right there. Destroyed. Wow. Alright, so here's our neighbors across the street. Their section of their big tree fell off last night. We're driving around right now. Tried to help them get some of that put back on, but it was pretty much impossible. Our house, nothing happened to our house. There's Teresa's front tree split something. Her back tree, if you can see her garage back there, her giant pine tree is laying on top of her garage. Coming down, this whole road was blocked last night. Me and two of the guys, the 100 block, we cleared it off completely. Everyone had pretty much just small stuff here and there. But Paula had the worst of it. You can see her, this whole part was blocked right here by Paula's. We cut all that off. Her tree right here, completely demolished. We cut all of her stuff off and cleared her driveway out last night. Her electricity got knocked down. This is the Yobes house, Stephanie and Kevin's old house. And that giant tree right there is in their back completely fell. The Bennett's. He's got a big tree limb down on the side. This big tree fell in front, so that was it. It sounded like 200 block. Everybody else was just kind of minimal stuff, but looks like the bullets have one up here. Small one. There's some giant trees that escaped some damage last night, but that was, the 200 block was pretty good. 300 block looks like they've got some trees down as well. So let's skip the block, interestingly enough. So that was the Wapella microburst of 2011. You can see these guys had some big ones knocked off. These guys broke out the chainsaw. Nice work. The chainsaw was gold.